I'm showing you how to make Cheung fun rice noodle rolls. Talk about blow me out of the water. So delicious. And the burst of flavour in my mouth, oh yeah. Variety of fillings are endless. You can have them for breakfast, lunch or dinner. I could have them for all three. Ingredients you'll need: 1.5 cups of rice flour, half a cup of corn flour, half a cup of tapioca flour, half a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now you're going to put it all in a bowl and give it a good old whisk. For my filling, I'm going to use mince, garlic, onions and mushrooms. Now you'll need a microwave container, baking paper and a lid for your container. Add the baking paper to the pan. Make sure it's flat. Here I am cooking my filling. Once done, set it to a side. Garnish with coriander and chili. And my sauce is garlic, soy sauce and oil. Now you're going to pour 1/3 of a cup of the mixture in the pan and you're going to put in the microwave and cook for 2 minutes with the lid on. Don't forget to put the lid on because it steams it in the microwave. That's how you make your rice noodle. Once all done, you're going to take the paper out and roll your rice noodle with your filling in the middle. Should roll really easily. Chop them up into bite-sized pieces. Add your sauce and garnish and enjoy.